smelt fishing's fun. We like to go in a tent just to stay out of the weather.
You don't want to drill a hole? Yeah, just kind of hold down with this. Here, want me to get it started for you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Not safe.
It takes a lot of to get a good feed. Like if I eat smelts, I'd eat like 10 just for myself, so.
They're buried over here.
All right, buddy, go get that fish.
We usually have like little ice fishing rods, and we also use these little spears too. So we get them both. Either they're biting the hook or you're gonna spear them.
Got one yet?
No, I did, but we keep on getting bites. Yeah.
Maybe too deep. Yeah, right there. Look at that.
Well, we're hoping to be able to catch a smelt through spearing. Smelting is what us Mi'kmaq have done for years and years. I remember coming here as a little girl, but we didn't have fancy equipment like this. All we used to use was a stick, piece of rope, and a piece of red yarn, and then run right back home after we had about a dozen or so. Grandmother would cook them all up for us. The good old days when things were more simple. So you just hold it very easily. You just go nice and quick, and it should latch right on. But you got to be careful when you pull them up, because these aren't serrated. See how they're like nails? If you bring it straight up, you're going to lose your fish. So you're going to try to do it at a little bit of an angle. That way they'll stick on. Our children don't get a chance to do this nearly enough.
Wait, my rod's moving.
How you guys make it out?
I got it.
Fishing buddies.
Oh my god, these waters must be dirty and darker.
Hey!
I got mine!
Yeah!
Who got it?
Me, Andy.
Here you go, bud.
Did you get a picture of the fish? Good job, Andy.
Yeah, buddy.